University Park TX energy-efficient window replacement helps reduce heat gain, improve indoor comfort, and lower utility costs throughout the year. Energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, and triple-pane windows are smart options for homeowners and property managers looking for window upgrades in University Park, Texas. With the right window contractor and local window company, new replacement windows can improve insulation, curb appeal, and long-term performance in residential and commercial properties. Window replacement University Park TX should include expert guidance on the best materials, styles, and installation methods for each property. Whether the project involves replacement windows in University Park TX, residential window replacement, or commercial window replacement, the right team can recommend vinyl window replacement, wood window replacement, aluminum window replacement, or custom windows based on design goals and budget. A trusted window replacement company can also handle window frame repair, window glass replacement, and window seal repair when full replacement is not the only solution. University Park TX window installation is ideal for new construction windows, retrofit window installation, and modern upgrades that improve both appearance and function. Homeowners searching for University Park, Texas modern window installation often choose casement windows, sliding windows, awning windows, bay windows, or picture windows to match the architecture of the home. For those comparing options, window installers near University Park TX can provide detailed estimates for premium window installation, affordable replacement windows, and custom window replacement based on the exact opening and style preference. Window replacement University Park TX services are especially valuable for older homes needing University Park TX house window replacement or University Park, Texas residential window replacement. Drafty, outdated, or damaged windows can affect energy use, security, and interior comfort, making professional replacement window service in University Park, Texas, a worthwhile investment. Local experts can assess whether window repair, seal repair, or full residential window replacement is the best option for your property. University Park, Texas commercial window replacement services support offices, retail buildings, and mixed-use properties that need durable, attractive, and efficient glazing. Commercial window replacement can include large picture windows, aluminum window replacement, and glass system upgrades that improve storefront visibility and interior lighting. A qualified window contractor can also manage scheduling, permitting, and installation with minimal disruption to operations, making it easier to complete window replacement near University Park, Texas. Location with confidence. Vinyl window replacement University Park TX remains one of the most popular choices for affordable replacement windows because it offers strong performance, low maintenance, and excellent value. University Park TX vinyl window installation is a strong fit for homes that need improved insulation and long-lasting durability without extensive upkeep. For homeowners seeking University Park TX premium window installation, vinyl options can also be combined with double-pane windows or triple-pane windows for even better energy performance. Bay windows, bay and bow window replacement, and patio window replacement can dramatically enhance living spaces in University Park, Texas. These window styles bring in more natural light, expand views, and create a more open feel in kitchens, living rooms, and sunrooms. University Park TX bay and bow window replacement is a great choice for property owners who want custom windows that boost style while maintaining efficiency and easy operation. Replacement windows in University Park TX should be installed by experienced University Park TX window contractors who understand local housing styles, climate demands, and installation best practices. The best window replacement company in University Park, Texas will offer detailed product options, precise measurements, and reliable workmanship for every project. From University Park TX window upgrade experts to University Park, Texas local window replacement specialists, the right team can deliver lasting results for homes and businesses across the area. University Park TX window and glass replacement is often needed when cracked panes, foggy glass, or failed seals reduce clarity and performance. Window glass replacement and window seal repair can restore visibility and insulation, while window frame repair may extend the life of existing units when the frame is still structurally sound. For many homeowners, these services are part of a broader plan for University Park TX neighborhood window replacement and long-term property maintenance. Wood window replacement and aluminum window replacement. Each offer unique advantages for University Park, Texas properties depending on architectural style and performance needs. Wood window replacement can preserve classic character in traditional homes, while aluminum window replacement may suit modern designs and commercial applications. A local window company can compare material options, glass packages, and installation methods to deliver the right window installation solution for every project in University Park TX. Sliding windows, casement windows, awning windows, picture windows, and custom windows all play a role in University Park TX modern window installation and remodeling projects. Whether the goal is better airflow, wider views, easier cleaning, or a more updated look, replacement window service in University Park, Texas can be tailored to the home. For homeowners searching for University Park TX window installation, University Park TX custom window replacement, or window installers near University Park TX, professional guidance ensures the right fit, style, and performance for every opening.